Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to introduce our student counselor डॉक्टर उपासना. उन्होंने इंडिया में भी प्रैक्टिस किया है और शी इज़ डूइंग मास्टर्स इन येरेवन, आर्मेनिया. सो नाउ शी विल टेक ओवर एंड शी विल एक्सप्लेन यू all about studies and about Armenia.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Upasana Dutt. Today you're here with me at Yerevan, Armenia. I'm going to tell you my top 3 reasons why I chose Armenia as a country to continue my higher education. Currently I'm doing my postgraduate residency at Yerevan State Medical University. My top reason includes the safety in Armenia. In terms of safety, I would like to explain why I choose Armenia to be safer than other European countries or America or British or Australia or New Zealand. Being static says that in place of other countries or in comparison to other countries, Armenia stands to be in nearly 0% of crime rates. So as a girl child, I would be safe in a country where I would be easily traveling after the dawn or after dusk. As a girl, as an individual or a group of friends, it is very easy for you to travel anywhere around the city at any point of time. Even that you have different police intersections everywhere in the city, so it is safer for you in case you feel a little unsafe. There are people you can contact, there are people you can ask help for. You also have safety numbers that you can contact. I'm sure that your parents will send you to would want to send you to a place where you have people who know you, but with Armenia you can easily come here even if you have nobody known here, as Armenia is one of the top most, like I started safe. Second reason on the list will be how inexpensive Armenia is as a country for us Indians. If we compare with India, I would say that how much would you spend? Around 40 lakhs to 1 CR for your undergraduation course, that is together with the donation, the admission, the tuition, hostel fees, your living expense. But in Armenia, I'm happy to tell you that you would not spend more than 3.5 lakhs, which includes your tuition fees, your hostel fees, your tickets, your visa, and your medical insurance as well. Because compared to our Indian currency, Armenian currency is much lesser than how much you would spend. So for you to come to Armenia, stay here, travel, have students tour, where students tour also include discounts if you are a student and you show your ID card to them, is very cheap. Plus your regular expense, staying, going for outing, having fun, have celebrations and parties will all be cheap. My third and final reason, for which I'm sure you would be waiting for, is the culture and the climate of Armenia. Mostly in Armenia, they follow a European culture where most of the population follow Christianity but are open to all culture. Let me tell you, Armenians love Indian culture. All our Indian movies are translated in Armenian and Russian. Our serials are translated in Armenian and Russian, which they love to watch. They love to see the attire we wear, the way we keep ourselves. They love to talk about Indian culture. The historic areas follow European architecture. It is a bliss to watch the architecture in and around Armenia and the other provinces. Talking about climate, Armenia does follow a diurnal range of climate where you do have the extremes of climate, but they are not as harsh as the ones in our country, with temperatures ranging from -5 to 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, with the beautiful shiny snowfall that you will witness during winters. Yes, I do accept that Armenia has 6 months of winter, but let me assure you that they are very pleasant and you would love to stay here. The summers are not as harsh as the ones in our country, but you will love how you spend summers seeing all the beautiful flowers and blossoms and everything in and around the city. It's a treat to watch and also live in Armenia. Let me give you a bonus point about Armenia, that is the pollution and the water. I'm sure your parents must be worried that when you come here, the water will not suit you and there's a lot of pollution that's going to affect or harm your skin. But I assure you that pollution is near to 0%, so it will not harm or affect your skin as much. Also, the clarification and the purity of water is very fine here in Armenia. Not that you would have to separately purchase a water purifier or an air purifier. You can easily drink water from the spring water taps that are instilled in and around the city, and also the water from your taps in your hostels that you stay at. Another main reason why I am making this video for all of you is that I know a lot of you have complaints of the hidden charges other consultancies and everyone charges for you to come and study abroad. For that, we are here for you. Feel free to ask us any questions, any queries in our WhatsApp number, by email, by call, or if you want to get in touch with me and ask me anything about your study and expenses here in Armenia. There are no hidden charges that we are going to charge you for admission. You can directly go and talk to the university or pay at the university and have your transactions with the university as well. So we are here for you, and feel free to contact us anytime you want to, and hope you have a great experience with your admission process here in Armenia. Hello everyone, so I have come back with another important point that I want to share with you is that if you're coming through somebody who is not physically present in Yerevan, Armenia, any problem that you face or your parents face to contact you or something that you are having trouble with, you have to ask for help via somebody. Either someone in India, either someone in Yerevan, but through India. But with us, the advantage that you will gain is we are available for you 24/7. Any problem 24/7 you have, you feel free to contact us, anyone who is connected to us. You will not have to ask your parents to contact anyone based in India for help in Armenia, Yerevan. We will be here for you, so you can directly get in touch with us or contact us for any trouble or help.